Probably the worst memory, I had to move to somewhere undisclosed because I was getting death threats. It was scary. It really was a scary, scary time. My son Connor actually was the first to call me right after 10 o'clock in the morning because I was driving. I wasn't checking the blog, but he was the one that told me, and he just said, we won, and then I pulled over because I was in tears immediately and I couldn't believe it. And my phone at that point started to blow up because I guess it was, it was out there in public. The first person I called, I believe it was my mom, and tears. And I don't even think we spoke. I think it was just a lot of tears. And the phone my text messages, everything. I think last night I cleaned out, or at least looked at 345 text messages. It was a good feeling. It's mixed emotions. I mean, I woke up this morning thinking that it wasn't real and that I was going to read that it was taken away or something. So yesterday was very numbing, but exciting, and I don't know that it's hit me yet, that it's really over, because I don't remember life before Bridgegate, but it's a mixture of emotions. Basically, now it means it's over, and my kids have lived through this valiantly. I mean, they're really, really amazing young people, and I don't know that a lot of them remember life before Bridgegate. So, 7 years is a long time in a life of a child. I know as an adult, it's a long time. Yes, I spoke to Bill Baroni. Bill and I spoke yesterday morning, and I actually can't even say we spoke, we cried on the phone. A lot of tears on the phone when we first spoke. We touched base early in the afternoon again, just to be like, wait, did that really happen? And then late last night, actually it was, after midnight, I spoke to him. But it's a hard way to live your life, having something like this hang over your head, not knowing if you're coming or you're going, and not knowing what was going to come next. So I've learned so much. Some days I think about it and it feels like the trial was just yesterday, or, the day I was indicted, which was May 1st, 2015. I can remember what I wore that day. I can remember conversations I had. Some of those days are so ingrained in my mind that they feel like they were yesterday. How will I reverse the nightmare of Bridgegate? I don't know that I can. I think I can reverse it in trying to get my life back, trying to build my reputation. I joked yesterday that there's not a store you can go to buy your reputation back, or buy your good name back. I really do think, though, that the people that know me and followed this and worked in the administration I worked in know the real story. I'll get my reputation back, and I will get my name back. It's going to take a while. There's a lot of psychological and emotional damage that's been done to me that I need to work through, and that's something I've been trying to work through, but I'll get it back. It's going to take some time, but I'll get it back.